Tornadoes by Kirsten Honig and Marcelo Slaman Jr.
What is a tornado? A tornado is a mobile, destructive vortex of violently rotating winds having the appearance of a funnel-shaped cloud advancing beneath a large storm system. Tornadoes typically cause mass destruction, having violent winds, and they typically occur over the Midwest. The National Weather Service establishes a thunderstorm as severe when wind gusts reach 57.5 miles per hour or faster, if hail is 3/4 of an inch in diameter or bigger, or if the thunderstorm produces a tornado or multiple tornadoes.
What factors create tornadoes? Most tornadoes form from thunderstorms. When the warm, moist air from the Gulf of Mexico and cool, dry air mass from Canada meet, they create instability in the atmosphere. How the column of air begins to rotate is not completely understood by scientists, but one way the rotation appears to happen is when winds at two different altitudes blow at two different speeds, creating wind shear. Air rotates because of wind shear. For example, a wind at 1,000 feet above the surface might blow at 5 miles per hour, and a wind at 5,000 feet might blow at 25 miles per hour. This causes a horizontal rotating column of air. If this column gets caught in a supercell updraft, the updraft tightens the spin and it speeds up, thus creating a funnel cloud. As the tornado is forming, the rain and hail in the thunderstorm cause the funnel to touch down, creating a tornado.
There are 5 different types of tornadoes. The main one is a supercell. A supercell tornado is a system producing severe thunderstorms and featuring rotating winds sustained by a prolonged updraft that may result in hail or tornadoes. Non-supercell tornadoes are circulations that do not form from organized storm-scale rotations. Gustnadoes are whirls of dust or debris at or near the ground with no condensation funnel, which form along the gust front of a storm. Landspouts are narrow rope-like condensation funnels that form while the thunderstorm cloud is still growing and there is no rotating updraft. The spinning motion originates near the ground. And waterspouts are the same as landspouts, but they occur over the water.
To classify tornadoes, scientists look at the Fujita scale. There are several different classification levels which they look at. There's F0, F1, F2, F3, F4, and F5. These all consist of different miles per hour winds. For example, the F0 level consists winds from 40 to 72 miles per hour, while the F5 level consists of 261 miles per hour up to 318 miles per hour. 318 miles per hour is the highest wind speed recorded yet from a tornado. The deadliest tornado in U.S. history was the Tri-State Tornado. This occurred over Missouri, Illinois, and Indiana. It killed 695 people and injured about 2,200 people in 1925.
In case of a tornado, knowing the difference between a watch and a warning is very important. A tornado watch means that the conditions are favorable for the development of a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado, while a warning means that it has already been developed and has been spotted in your area.
To prepare, take shelter. Always be aware of the safer places you can go to in your home before a tornado visits. If there is no basement in your home, go to a room without windows toward the center of your home.
Time allowing, grab a few first aid items and stock up on water and some emergency supplies.
Try to keep in touch with your local weather station, and look out for dark clouds and thunderstorms.
Keep records, notes, and photos of any valuable items in case they get destroyed and your insurance company needs them.
In the eye of the tornado, there's no more high and low, no floor and sky. Francis Alice. Thanks for watching. Always beware of tornadoes.